Good morning, everybody. It's Keith again. And today, I need help finding the owner of this car. So I've already looked inside the glove box and stuff. This is the license plate in JZ411. I'm going to use you guys the internet. Hopefully you guys can just share this around and we can find the owner of this vehicle. I don't remember exactly what why it's here, but the story is a shop called Brothers Auto Body in town and sent it over, and we did some work on it. We diagnosed what was wrong, called them, said, hey, this is what's wrong, do you want to move forward with it? I know that the owner of the vehicle called at one point in time, and we've called that number back a bunch of times, and it isn't connected. So I don't know. I mean, it's been like a month and a half. So anyways, I'm gonna walk around the car so you can see the state of the car while we're walking. Anyways, Brothers, I guess, had the owner of the car call us, and then now Brothers Auto Body and the customer are mad at each other or something, and Brothers told me to sue them. They're not going to pay their bill. They authorized an analysis and testing on this car. They have a relatively small bill, sub $500 with the work we've done so far, and they said they're not going to pay their bill. We're trying to get a hold of the owner of the vehicle so we can get information from them, what's wrong, what they want to do, what do they want to do moving forward. They want to fix the car or what? So anyways, I put up a picture of the shop. I don't, here's the problem. I am not asking you guys to call them, please don't. But I know what happens, and I want to be clear that there's like 5 shops in town called Brothers. And again, I cannot stress enough that I'm not advocating you call and harass them in any way. But I put the picture up there because just like last time, what'll happen is I'll mention it and somebody will call the wrong one and harass some other shop that's just trying to take care of people. And so please don't harass anyone. But that's why the picture, people are like, why'd you put the picture up there if you didn't want them to call? Like, I don't want them to seek out this person. But if you took your car to that shop that I put a picture of, I'll put another picture right here, to that shop, then please call me. I have your car. And I want to find out what do you want to do with your car? Do you want to fix it? Do you not want to fix it? For all I know, because I'm only hearing the side from the other shop. The other shop is saying that the customer and them are arguing back and forth, and there's a bunch of disagreement on stuff. And I don't know anything about the work they did versus what I did. I have this car. I don't want this car here. So please help me find who owns this vehicle so we can get the vehicle back to them and hopefully fix it and get it back to them. I'd much rather cars leave fixed. So anyways, share it around, see if we can find who owns this car. Our number, 918-212-4993. That's the main ingress number. Just talk to anyone. Just tell them, hey, I own that Mazda that's there. Provide us your name and such. We have, I think we have the first name of the person who owns it. Anyways, you're gonna have to prove that you own it. Don't just call up here saying I own this car. So anyways, thanks everybody. Love you. See you later. These videos suck. I'll make some more fun ones today, I promise. I'll make sure this isn't the only thing I post for a little while. I hate the negative.